Hi everyone! I'm Teacher Margie. Nakagawa na ba kayo ng Saln ninyo? Sa video na ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang mga frequently asked question about Saln. So, ano nga ba ang purpose ng Saln? So, the purpose of the Saln is promote transparency in the civil service and to establish a deterrent against government officials bent on enriching themselves through unlawful means. So, ang Saln natin, ginagawa natin yan yearly. So, dinideclare natin yung yearly na assets, liabilities, and net worth natin. So, as of now, 2026, ang isinasubmit natin na Saln is as of December 31, 2025. So, sino ba ang mga dapat na expected na magpa-file ng Saln? So, number 1, those serving in honorary capacity persons who are working in the government. So, mga government na nagtatrabaho. Then, 2, those whose position title is laborer, persons whose work depends on mere physical power to perform ordinary manual labor. So, tayong mga nasa gobyerno, nagsasubmit tayo nito yearly. So, compulsory po ito. Sa ngayon po, meron tayong bagong form na pwede nating i-download sa csc.gov.ph na website. Yun yung nandun po yung official na form. So, as of 2025 na form. Okay, so sa first part, yung portion na both government employees may indicate whether they are filing jointly or separately. Katulad ko, pareho kami ng station, then pareho kaming nasa DepEd. So, joint ang aming pagpa-file ng Saln. Ayan, so, depende na yan sa inyong spouses kung kayo ay nasa both government and both station. So, pwede nyong jointly or separately na i-file ang Saln. Then, in the declaration of real properties, the form requires the exact location of the property. So, inilalagay po natin yung exact location kung saan yung ating mga properties. Ayan. Then, the form clarifies that the assessed value and the current fair market value should be based on what is stated in the tax declaration of real property. Ayan. So, i-base po natin doon sa tax declaration po natin. Then, number 6, several portions of the previous form have been removed, like the amount and sources of gross income, amount of personal and family expenses, and amount of income tax paid, all of which were required to be declared under Republic Act number 3019 or Anti-Graft Corruption. Then, the declaration of nature of real properties is no longer required. Pero ang nire-required natin is yung inilalagay natin kung may mga relatives tayo na nasa government. Ayan. So, dinideclare yan sa ating assets, yung Saln natin. So, nasa bandang page 2 yon sa likod. Ayan. Okay, so sa isa sa tinatanong din kung jointly na nag-file ka ng Saln, in case of joint filing of husband and wife who are both in the government service, both of them shall be considered declarants. The signature portion of the Saln indicates the space for the spouse or the spouse co-declarant. All real and properties shall be declared, including the respective paraphernalia and capital properties, if there are any. After filling out of the form, the spouses may produce the Saln form as the number of copies required, but their signatures should be original in the Saln form to be submitted to their respective agencies. So, importante, Ngayon, meron ng signature sa bandang front, yung first page. So, declarant is si signature yun. So, original signature. Then, sa likod. So, yung declarant, then yung co-declarant, yung spouse. Ayan. So, ganun ang ginagawa natin sa Saln. If the declarant spouse is not in the government naman, ayan. So, ano ang gagawin natin? That declarant shall tick off the box marked as not applicable. Ayan. Siyempre, kung hindi naman siya government employee, so, not applicable ang ilalagay natin. So, if the case of uniform personnel, what should they indicate in the space requiring the position? Is it rank or the designation? Uniform personnel are appointed to rank. So, they should indicate the rank in the blank space for position. Sa pagdi-declare naman ng mga anak, supported by the declarant but living outside the household due to studies including the declaration. Yes, it includes the dependent children who are temporarily staying apart from the declarant's household due to studies. So, sa video na ito, makikita nyo na lahat ang mga pwedeng possible na question na kailangan ninyong malinawan. So, sana nakatulong itong video na ito para masagutan nyo na rin magawa ang Saln as of December 31, 2025. Maraming salamat!